Latest purchase for restoration. This is a Delta-Rockwell heavy-duty wood shaper. It's got a ball door, 2 horsepower single-phase motor. Overall, in good condition, just needs some TLC cleaning up. All in all, the original owner was an older gentleman who is 79 and getting too old to do woodworking, and was happy to see this go to somebody who was going to restore it and clean it up and value it. So, should be another fun project. Here's all the odds and ends that came with it as well. Fence, cutters, bushings. And here's the Delta shaper, all complete. Restoration all done. Came out pretty good. Made 2 matching dust doors. It's got a 3/4 inch spindle installed, and then also has a 1/2 inch spindle insert here, looks like, including some 3/4 inch cutters and some larger cutters as well that there's bushings for to use with the 3/4 inch or 1/2 inch spindle. We'll fire it up here in a second. Alright, and here's a short video of it under power. Motor fires up well. It also is reversible. There's a switch on the motor so that you can run it in both directions depending on the direction of the grain of the pieces you're working on. So all in all, there she is, complete. This is from 1983.